The iQOO 16 is an upcoming flagship smartphone expected to launch in late September or October 2026. Run on Qualcomm's unannounced Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro processor built on a 2nm process node. The iQOO 16 could feature a 6.85-inch Samsung-made flat display with a 2K resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. It will come with a 3D ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner, USB 3.2, an AR film, an IP68/69 rating, a 50MP OmniVision OV50Q main camera sensor, 1/1.3-inch, along with a secondary 50MP periscope lens. It features a massive 8,500 mAh battery paired with 100W wired fast charging and wireless charging support. It will also support wireless charging. Expected to start at 5,000 Chinese yuan in China with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, with 100W wired and 40W wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.